Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside TikTok. Open the app and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu at top right, then Settings and Privacy. This is where TikTok centralizes sound and notification control. Once in Settings, choose Notifications to reveal in-app toggles. Make sure your phone's system notifications are allowed for TikTok so sounds can play. If not, the app will be silenced by the OS. Now that permissions are set, you're ready to pick a specific notification sound option within the app. Next, go to Notification Sound or in-app sound inside the Notifications menu. Different regions and app versions label this differently. You'll see presets, tap each to preview. If TikTok supports a custom upload, choose Add or Upload, select the file, and trim it to the allowed length. Otherwise, pick the closest preset. Make sure you set both the volume and vibrate preferences here, because your phone's media versus notification volume can change how loud alerts play. Once selected, preview again to confirm the sound fits your preference. Finish by saving changes and exiting settings, then trigger a test alert by using another account or waiting for a notification. If you don't hear the sound, check your phone's OS notification settings, make sure TikTok notifications aren't muted, and that Do Not Disturb is off. Also verify the ringtone assignment wasn't overridden by a system profile. If problems persist, clear the TikTok cache or reinstall the app. And remember to back up any custom tone files before reinstalling so you don't lose them.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.